Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Word and choosing either a blank document or a template that matches your goal. Once done, enable auto-save if available and set your default font, size, and margins so you don't repeat basic formatting. Make sure to pin common commands to the quick access toolbar for speed. This reduces repetitive clicks. You'll save minutes every session. Finally, create or update the normal style. Templates inherit it, so consistency starts here and flows through the document. You now build the body. Apply heading styles to create structure and enable the navigation pane so you can jump between sections quickly. Once organized, insert section breaks where layout changes and set headers and footers for consistent numbering or branding. For content, add tables and images, then set text wrap and alignment to control flow. As you edit, use track changes and comments so collaborators see suggestions. This preserves edits and explains why each change was made, improving clarity and review speed. You finish by running spelling and grammar checks, using read aloud to catch rhythm issues, and updating the table of contents so page numbers match. Then save a version and export to PDF when distribution is required. Use OneDrive links for collaborative editing. If something goes wrong, styles misbehave or spacing jumps, clear direct formatting or paste the content into plain text, then reapply your styles. This reset usually fixes stubborn formatting. It's a quick recovery step that prevents recreating the document from scratch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.